see there's one more like that. Again, suddenly I just saw one moment in the. Wait, yeah, baby. What are you looking? You can see this. I mean, I walk. She just follow me. It's like more is there somewhere following. See that? There, just one more. This is my small canopy kind of. I made it using the lock and key method. I have some small inner. I made this a canopy. This for my drying and such a hanged. Then I have this torot plants. I got this from Bangalore actually. So what happens is cleaning water comes from here and then gets into this tree place. Previously it used to be like very damp and you know how it is like not good. Then after the torot plant is introduced, they have the property of converting. You guys can see this 2 dollars of come already. So yeah, baby. So this torot plant removes it converts the bad water into good water, and you can see already I saw after this torot plant is introduced, the soil became good. Previously you can't even keep your hand. You can see how it changed. Sorry. And you don't need any maintenance actually. They are too good actually.